It's late. Are you okay? Is the storm keeping you awake? It's okay. You can sleep in here with me. Come in. Get under the covers and snuggle with me. Oh, that's it. Oh, baby. Aren't you a little too big to be getting scared of storms? It's okay. I don't mind. I'll look after you. Cuddle up close with Daddy and I'll keep you safe. You're all cold. Let's wrap our arms and legs around each other so we can warm you up. That's it. Get as close in with Daddy as you can. I'll get my big strong arms around you and protect you. There. It's okay. You're okay, baby. You're okay. I've got you. I know it's loud outside. And the thunder sounds extra close, doesn't it? But it can't hurt you, baby. It's safe. You're safe. I promise. Does it help when Daddy has his arms around you? Of course it does. Let me give you a big squeeze. Like this. So you're extra safe. That's it. Now, baby. Roll over. Turn around so Daddy can spoon you. You be the little spoon, and I'll be the big spoon. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, like this. I know you're brave enough not to be scared by the storm. I know you're strong enough not to let it stop you from sleeping. And if you feel like maybe you're not big and brave enough tonight, Daddy will spoon you and hold you close until you feel strong enough. You're safe with me, baby. You're safe with me. It's okay, sweetie. It's okay. It's just noise. It's not gonna hurt us. Can't hurt you in here. I promise. Daddy's got you. Daddy's got you. It's okay. It's okay. I love it when you come in here to cuddle me, sweetheart. Cuddling with my baby feels so good. I love your little nighttime visits. You can sleep with me every night, if you want. You're always welcome in Daddy's bed. I'll always be ready to cuddle you up in my big strong arms, and nuzzle you into my chest. We can share a bed every night, if you like. We can move you in here, and we'll sleep together. You want to share a bed with Daddy every night? I don't want my baby feeling alone and scared at night. I want to protect and look after you. You need to feel safe and warm in here with me, don't you? Daddy's special little angel. I've got you, baby. I've got you. Daddy has always got you. Daddy has everything under control and you're safe with me. I'll never let you go. Never, ever. Here. Breathe with me. It will help you feel calm. Breathe with me like this. Slowly. In and out with Daddy. In and out with Daddy. That's it. Good baby. Go to sleep. Go to sleep with Daddy. I've got you. You're safe with me. I'll protect you all night. Daddy loves you, baby. Daddy loves you.